Welcome to Picsart 101. Today we're going to show you how to join a challenge. Challenges are creative missions where you can try out and show off your artistic skills with the chance to win some awesome prizes like a gold membership. They cover a wide range of topics and last around 7 to 10 days. So let's join one. You can find our challenges by selecting the challenge icon. There's so many to choose from, like making your sticker, replays, and image remixes. We also have fan art challenges with some of your favorite celebrities. Scroll down and find the challenge you want to enter. Each challenge is different and has their own rules and prizes. Then all you have to do is tap participate, choose an image, and start editing. Once you're done, tap on submit. You can share up to 3 new edits per challenge. You can also check out other user submissions when you scroll down in the challenge page to get some inspo. Challenges are more fun when you vote. You'll find edits to vote for on the top of the challenges page. Simply click on the challenge you want to vote in and scroll through edits you like. Double tap on the images to vote for them. You can vote for as many users as you like. That's all. It's time to put your skills to the test and join a challenge.